Hi, this is Miqan. Today I want to share with you my latest art series called Clock In, which was inspired by Robert Rauschenberg's collage works and also Nils Fram's atmospheric track called All Armed. I was really inspired by Robert Rauschenberg's collage works as they are very dynamic and they have a sense of uninhibited creativity and freedom. And they inspired me to explore the urban photographs I took in Japan and to use them in my work. I really love Nils Fram's music. I once saw him live in London and he was absolutely amazing. This track, All Armed, really fits the urban landscape and as it has an atmosphere of stark, combative feel. The beat creates a sense of perpetual movement and motion, which further inspired me to create this city nightmare kind of atmosphere. I used 12 by 12 inch wood panels and put layers of acrylic paints for background. I printed my photographs I took in Japan and used them as collage. This is a play stage where I spontaneously put paint and trying to react to the collage. I did 5 paintings altogether, but I don't have the process video for one of them because I did it when I was doing my previous art series. So when you do a one-off painting, it can be a catalyst for your next art series. And for me, that first painting definitely made me want to do more of the same. So that's what inspired me to do this cityscape type of paintings. I wasn't happy with the way this painting was going, so I decided to put different collage. I like putting many layers of paint because I think that gives depth and also some textures. Here I'm lightening some of the orange colour because I wanted to quieten it down a bit. I used more symmetric shapes in this art series in order to show the cityscape and urban atmosphere. Later on I put collage over this area because I wasn't liking it very much. Here I'm using an acetate transparent film to try things out without actually painting over my work and then regretting it.